In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect lines in Draw.io. If you're building a diagram and want shapes to stay neatly linked together, Draw.io makes this very simple. Connecting lines properly is especially useful because the line will remain attached and adjust automatically as you move things around later. That means your diagram stays clean and organized without needing to redraw connections every time you make a change. To begin, open your diagram in the editor and locate the shape you want to start from. This will be the shape where your connection begins. Move your cursor over that shape and pause for a moment. As you hover, you should see 4 directional arrows appear around it, with 1 arrow on each side. These arrows are the connection handles, and they let you create a line from the exact side of the shape that makes the most sense for your layout. Once those arrows appear, click and drag from the arrow that points in the direction of the shape you want to connect to. For example, if the target shape is on the right, dragging from the right side arrow can help keep your diagram looking more natural. As you drag, move your cursor toward the second shape. Now bring the line onto the target shape and watch for the outline of that shape to turn blue. That blue highlight is your visual confirmation that Draw.io recognizes the shape as the connection point. When you see that blue outline, release your mouse to drop the line in place. At that point, the 2 shapes are connected. One of the best parts of using this method is that the connector is smart. If you move either shape later, the line will automatically slide into the best position and stay attached. This helps preserve the structure of your diagram and saves time during editing. If the connection doesn't work the first time, just try again and make sure you release the line only when the target shape is highlighted in blue. That small visual cue makes all the difference. And that's it. That's how to connect lines in Draw.io. Once you get used to using the directional arrows and the blue outline as your guide, creating clean, flexible diagrams becomes much faster and easier.